kind of thought that we were ready. I mean, he done moved around, but says high visibility vest. Let's put on a vest. Says some. Yeah.
Okay.
I gotta put a hood on, bro. Oh boy. Cold, rain, and it's dark. Oh yeah. The trifecta of what you don't want as a driver. Let's see. Gonna be dropping in this front row right here, then we're gonna be going to the back row to get an empty trailer. Let's see. I think that's where I'm gonna drop right here, if that is a dropping spot. Sure is. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Let's see what we got going on here, man. I thought I wanted to drop right here. Alright, let's hurry up and get this trailer disconnected and go, man. Sheesh. Let's see. Cold and wet. Damn trash. Old parking that they're taking up, the electric company.
Baby, I'm back and tired. Trailer line, lights flashing green. Just one more inch, let me slide this kingpin right where it belongs. Park nose to a tail in the dead of the light, shadows long and thick. Your fifth wheel's waiting open wide, calling me to hitch. I ease the clutch, roll forward slow, feel the tension build, kingpin over in just above, ready for the thrill. You drop the legs of hair, let that plate tilt just right. I watch your hips sway, subtle in the mirror light. No force, no fight, just perfect alignment, lined up, center, no room for denial. Feel me present in slow and deliberate, lock me down, darling, make this connection stick. I'm tryna slide this kingpin in your fifth wheel, baby. Deep and secure, let that lock engage. Feel the weight transfer, feel the whole rig sway. Slide it in slow, then make it stay. Slide this kingpin, slide it right tonight. No playing games, just a perfect bite. Locked in tight, no escape, no fight. Kingpin buried deep, baby, hold me right. You rock back gentle, help me find a sweet spot groove. I feel the jaws close around, hear that satisfied clunk. Move, now a couple perfect airlines hooked in tight. One tug on the release and we're ready for the night. Your hands grip the rails, breath fogging up the glass. I rev the engine low, feel the power start to pass through the fifth wheel, play straight into your core. Every inch I give you, begging for more. No force, no fight, just perfect alignment, lined up, center, no room for denial. Feel me pressing in slow and deliberate, lock me down, darling, make this connection stick. I'm tryna slide this kingpin in your fifth wheel, baby. Deep and secure, let that lock engage. Feel the weight transfer, feel the whole rig sway. Slide it in slow, then make it stay. Slide this kingpin, yeah. Slide it right tonight. You're playing games, just a perfect bite. Locked in tight, no escape, no fight. Kingpin buried deep, baby, hold me right. Easy back, then forward again. Press the lock to the give that sweet little shock. One more push, hear the pin drop home. Now we're one rig, baby, no more alone. Pull the release, now we stay hitched. Slide it deeper, make the whole night twitch. Or slide this kingpin in your fifth wheel, sugar. Lock it down hard, let the connects drop. Feel me settle in where I was always meant. slide it again tomorrow. Just say when I'll back right up. All for you.
Shot ahead. With traffic gon' scare us, you and me. Turn my helmet down. In the hammer lane. You ready to feel that power? Yeah. Left lane, crawling wide open and waiting for us. I drive at 10, feel the turbo, spooled up, yeah. Your hands sliding over, resting eye on my thigh. Whispering faster like you're trying to make me fly. Dashboard lights dancing, my car, your skin so smooth. We're rushing past, but it's your breath that moves. I match the better beat, tax needle swinging right. Heart pounding harder than the stacks blowing wide. No sorrow tonight, no coasting in the right, but taking the fast track, baby. Full throttle, full side. Feel that torque build, feel me pushing through. In my down dive, I'm coming for you. Hammer down in the hammer night, baby. Lick the deep, we roar, feel the whole world shake. Get up to the floor, no holding back at the frame. We riding redness, lost in the game. Hammer down, hammer down the night.
Man. This place right here on my left, it's now automated. Well, let me don't say automated. It's no human contact. See that? No contact, man. You got a 800 number on the side. You see that? Like everybody who works in this building, they don't come outside at all. No security guard, no nothing. Let me see. Make sure I'm at the right building. Alright, so let's make sure we're at the right place. Building B. So I think that's building B in front of us. I want to say that's building B. Yup, see where that sign says building A? So that's building B right here on the right. All the places to park, that's probably like the worst place to park though, you know? Put a new fence up. Hey, what you need, my ID?
Yes.
All right.
Oh, have you come to this location before?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. It's been a while though.
You're leaving Bobtail, right?
I'm picking up a load.
Okay. Give me that trailer number.
Okay. I am picking up 667.
667?
Yep, 990.
990.
Yep.
Okay. Here you go.
All right.
Can you pull up so I can check the trailer?
Yep. Ooh, somebody sliced that, ain't it? Hit that with the ginsu. I need to wash my truck. Let's turn that off. Make sure that locking pin in place. Hey, y'all remember when y'all first started driving? And it was difficult for you to back up and park. So you used to mash all of the air out of the brakes. And you'll get that code saying that you're out of air. You had to let the air build up. Man, that used to be frustrating, especially in those internationals. Man, them shits, boy, they have you all messed up.
I drive a 10, feel the turbo, spooled up, yeah. Your hands sliding over, resting eye on my thigh. Whispering faster like you're trying to make me fly. Dashboard lights dancing, my car, your skin so smooth. We're rushing past, but it's your breath that moves. I match the better beat, tax, middle swinging right. Heart pounding harder than the stacks blowing wide. No sorrow tonight, no coasting in the right, but taking the fast track, baby. Full throttle, full side. Feel that torque build. Feel me pushing through. In my down dive, I'm coming for you. Hammer down in the hammer night, baby. Let the beat roar, feel the whole world shake. Pedal to the floor, no holding back the frame. We riding redness, lost in the game. brushing my neck, teasing with your tongue while I'm holding the wet. One head on the wheel, the other slipping low. Finding never starting me, shit temperature broke. My walk aside like they running from us. Your moans mixing with the Indian Tusky thrust. Weaving through the night, go up inside, just pure adrenaline, baby. Feel so proud tonight. No coasting in the right, but taking the fast track, babe. Full throttle, full side. Let the speed settle in. Feel me deep inside where the real rush begins. Then flow it again, harder, faster. Let the stack scream my name. We slow, we stop it, stop it, stop it, stop it. I'm a lane forever, babe. Call my name.
We made it. We made it with about 2 minutes left too. 2 minutes left. I had to go on PC as soon as I got here though, so I won't violate my time. But yeah, man, we made it, dog. Wasn't a bad trip. Wasn't a bad ride at all. A lot smoother than I expected. A whole lot smoother than I expected. The weather was good. The traffic was better than expected too, you know. I feel good, man. I feel good. I didn't overfuel either. I didn't overfuel. I haven't picked up a pre-plan just yet. Still looking at the load board, seeing what's available. Nothing really caught my eye just yet. I see something going down to Kissimmee, Florida for it's about $4 a mile. It picks up, let me see, Tuesday. I think that's Tuesday. Might do that. I might do that. Especially if nothing else comes up like between tomorrow, because tomorrow is the 22nd. Yeah, that's the thing, man. Just trying to pick up some good loads so we can finish up the month of March strong, right? The month of March real strong.
Give me the bread, bread, bread.